There are too many zombies. I'll ring the phone guy.
Hello? Hello? I wanted to record a message for you to help you get settled in on your first night. I actually worked in that office before you. I'm finishing up my last week now, as a matter of fact, so I know it can be a bit overwhelming, but I'm here to tell you there's nothing to worry about. You'll do fine. So let's just focus on getting you through your first week.
Thanks for the reminder. We need to take action. I could need some help for the police, but seems like the emergency says to stay. Guys, what should I do? Should I fight or escape?